So first of all, we'll expand the sine 3x, sine 2x. So limit extending to 0, sine 3x plus sine 3x plus a sine 2x plus b sine x whole divided by x to the power 5. This we have to solve. So limit extending to 0, we expand the sine 3x and we take sine x common and x also. So we get 3 minus 4 sine square x plus 2a cos x plus b. Whenever 3 forms of functions are given, what I mean is sine 3x, sine 2x, sine x is given, we use this step. Now, most important is we use the expansions. What is the sine x expansion? Sine x expansion is x minus x cubed by 3 factorial plus x to the power 5 by 5 factorial and so on. Cos x expansion is 1 minus x square by 2 factorial plus x to the power 4 by 4 factorial and so on. It is far better than using the L'Hospital rule. So that will come later when we do the different problems. Now if we substitute the value, limit extending to 0, sin x by x is a standard limit. We don't have to worry about it. Now 3 minus 4 x minus x cubed by 6 so on whole square 2a cos x expansion is 1 minus x square by 2 factorial plus x to the power 4 by 4 factorial and so on plus b. Why we wrote up to x to the power 4? Because denominator is x to the power 4. Remaining all terms will cancel. Now we collect the terms. If you see the constant term is 3 plus 2a plus b. That must be 0 to exist the limit. And 3 plus 2a. Now similarly, coefficient of x square, this is constant. Now if we collect the coefficient of x square, coefficient of x square, what we get? Minus 4 plus 2a, which is equal to 0. Minus 4 minus a is equal to 0 because x square coefficient is there. This is minus sign. So what we get? A equal to minus 2 and 2 will cancel, 2 by a. So you'll get a equal to minus 4, the coefficient of x square. Next, now we collect once we know a equal to minus 4, we substitute in the given equation 3 minus 8 plus b equal to 0. We get b is equal to 5. A equal to minus 4 and b equal to 5. Now we collect the coefficient of x to the power 4. X to the power 4 coefficients will be minus minus plus 4 into 2 by 6, which is there in the sine square x expansion, plus 2a by 4 factorial. This is the value of the value of the c. Because the left hand limit is equal to right hand limit is the value of the function they gave as c. So if we write 8 to, this is nothing but 8 by 6 plus 2a by 24 is equal to c. From this, what we get, and this value is negative. This value is negative. Minus 2a plus 2a value is negative. So what we get the c value? We get c value as, from this equation, what we get the c value? Minus minus plus 8 by 6 plus a by 12 is equal to C. We get 8 into 2 by 12 minus 4 by 12 is equal to C, or C is equal to 1. So finally we got A, B, C combination. A we got it as minus 4, B got it as 5, and C we got it as 1. I'll explain once again. Sin 3x we write as 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. Sin 2x we write as 2 sin x cos x, and B sin x. Sin x we take common, put the expansion of sin x, put the expansion of cos x, compare the coefficient of constant, which must be 0, compare the coefficient of x square, which is you get minus 4, minus a equal to 0, a equal to minus 4. Once you got a equal to minus 4, we put it in the equation 3 plus 2a plus b, we get b equal to 5, and the limit value is equal to c. You can see the limit value is equal to c. Option B is correct. So most important point to note down is whenever sin 3x, sin 2x, sin x is given, we always use the formula of sin 3x and sin 2x, then we put in expansion rather than putting directly.